So when I first interacted with you, I didn't know that, first impression are that important until you messaged me back. And I was in awe. I was like, nobody has ever replied to me.
Yeah. So some of the institutes like this, FAD, London School of Trends, JD, there's celebrity, wardrobe, commercial, editorial, runway. Now, skill sets required apart from creative eye. As we are stylist or want to be a stylist or in a fashion field, we all are creative in our own special way. There is no doubt about that. That is the reason this workshop is not about creativity, it's about other things. So what else do you need to grow? You need, whether it is a job or collaboration or freelancing, retainership, what else do you need apart from creative eye for details?
Confidence.
The in-depth knowledge of the purpose that we are working towards.
Correct?
Managing people.
Communication skills,
Yes, absolutely.
Leadership.
Collaborative skills and how to get clients, decide upon niche.
Okay, let me give you a hint. It is very important for you guys to know what happens when you ask for a certain fees.
I think negotiation skills.
Yes, negotiation skills is very important here.
Yeah, I was just saying that the compartmentalization of the information, the making of table is something that is making it easier for us to see the information.
Okay.
Um, but since it is not that colorful, so it kind of uh, like looks boring.
It's not a bang on first impression. I will have to explore. Acha, they have done this. We will learn the 5 elements that comes into portfolio. Now, collaboration tactics. In collaboration, many a times people not might not ask you for your resume, but they will definitely ask you for your portfolio.
for me, like I have just started styling. It's been like hardly been an year, and I am doing my second year with Pearl. But nobody has told me about the things that you have told me, like proper compartmentalization of the information, how to market it, how to go about it. Um, in Pearl, obviously, we are learning about styling and creative aspect, but nobody is telling us about marketing aspect or like the like for example you told us about retainers or which fields have job or in which field we can do freelancing. That is a very important information that should be like told to us in colleges or something, but with you it just felt that there is so much of clarity that I have gained with this workshop.
My sister suggested your page to me. She is a fashion designer, and
Oh,
she just her college just threw a fashion show at Sheraton Indoor, and she's pretty impressed by your the page and especially the knowledge that you give.
Oh, wow.
So when I first interacted with you, I didn't know that first impression are that important until you messaged me back, and I was in awe. I was like, nobody has ever replied to me, and she's replied to me like she knows me forever. So thank you so much for that. Like
You're
it was really
welcome.
important.
You are always like always मतलब चाहे वो यूट्यूब पे हो या इंस्टाग्राम पे यू आर ऑलवेज मतलब knowledgeable हर जगह and right now detailed knowledge you gave us, so really thanks. I'm grateful that I am joining your workshop, so yeah,
So
totally totally you made my day honestly.